Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm at a tasteful place. I tell you, it's tomato season right now here. We're in the middle of July where we're picking a lot of beautiful little tomatoes. A lot of these are the smaller cherry type tomatoes. One of the ways to have tomatoes produced really for a longer season here in North Texas where we get so hot is to use these smaller fruiting varieties. I know we love the big tomatoes, but these small ones will be very productive and you'll have them and their flavor can be really magical. There's a lot of different varieties here. We've got a lot of cool tomato recipes that are on our Tasteful Place webpage. If you want to look at great recipes to use and take advantage of all the tomatoes that you can produce in your garden. So you can go there and take a look, and some really cool ones, I think. Again, the tomatoes are doing great. Tasteful Place is a fun place to visit, along with the rest of Arboretum. Dave Forehand, we'll see you real soon.